Hey, it's Katie with WTI, and I have been just living in this fleece jacket by SELINK. It is so cozy and soft that even when I am just hanging out at home, I'm wearing this jacket. What I love about it is how durable it is and it holds up to the washing machine. Now, I've already washed this 3 or 4 times. You can see it's a little fuzzy, but the colors have not faded at all. This is the Aztec print, and I did get it in a medium. It is true to size. It's a little loose so that you can wear a long sleeve shirt under it, as well as a short sleeve or a tank top, and feel totally comfortable. I do like how lightweight it is. It makes it for the perfect fall or spring jacket. When you got these nice, pretty 40-degree days that are sunny, it's fabulous. And this boho Western vibe is just perfect. It's kind of a bricky orange red and then a taupey gray. Every time I have left the house with this jacket on, I have gotten compliments, and every girl loves getting compliments from complete strangers. I mean, come on, it totally makes your day, doesn't it? I feel fabulous wearing this jacket, and I know that you're going to feel fabulous as well. But that's just my point of view.